Shabbat Shalom. First and foremost, let's give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'ashem Akarkadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. Shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And Shalom to the Akim, that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And I say Shalom to Akim out there on this Shabbat. This is a sit-down lesson on November the 1st, 2022 at 4:38 p.m. Central Standard Time on this Tuesday afternoon. And this is a news article in the news for today. And this is from CNBC.com. And this was updated Tuesday, November the 1st, 2022 at 5:03 p.m. Eastern Time, published by Samantha Supin and Alex Heron, if I pronounce his last name right. And the highlight of this news article in the news of November 1st, 2022. It says stocks finish lower as Wall Street braces for a key Fed decision. Stocks dipped on Tuesday as traders accessed better than expected economic data and preparing for another likely hike for the Federal Reserve. The Dow Jones Industrial fell negative 79.75 points or 0.24% to 32,653.20 points, while the S&P 500 slid 0.41% to 3,856.10 points, and the Nasdaq Composite shedded 0.89% to 10,890.85 points. All the major averages opened higher but turned negative after job openings in September showed a resilient labor market. The new heightened fears that the central bank may keep its aggressive stance on its fight to tame higher inflation. Anytime you get good news, the market doesn't like it because it just means that the Fed is probably going to be tightening more, potential for longer. And I've been saying this previously in my videos in regards to doing videos, with the markets and stuff like that on Wall Street. Because these stocks, it reacts to what's going on, even if it's good or bad, on an economic scale and dealing with globally, financially, inflation, consumer spending. You name it, job reports, unemployment rates. You name it, It all depends on what the stock, what it reacts to, the good or bad, It says that anytime you get good news, the markets does not like it because it means that the Fed is probably going to be hiding more potentially for longer, said Randy Frederick of trading in Doritis and the Schwab Center for Financial Research. We still in the bad news and good news cycle. It says Tuesday market the start of the Fed's November meeting, which may expect with result a 75 base point increase. Interest rate hikes on Wednesday. Investors will monitor the central bank statement of the Fed Chair Jerome Powell press conference for signs of slowing tightening pace. It says some losses were mitigated Tuesday as a better than fear earnings sections continues a strong report from Pfizer. Uber shares popped nearly 12% on a revenue beat. Companies this season has grappled with high inflation, rising rates, and stronger dollar. Wall Street is coming off a strong month gain, which is late October, the 2 week gain of winning streak. It says the Dow Jones rallied near 14% in October. Is the biggest monthly advance since 1976. Wow, since 1976. That's how bad the market was during the whole year 2022. The up and down balanced slope between having good solid gains and a lot of losing streaks. It says as investors rotated out of the technology and the stalwarts like banks, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq Composite add about 8% to 3.9% respective. So yeah, now you got the stocks off to a slow start in the month of November. As I made that statement yesterday, the last month of October, which was yesterday, we was gonna see how the stock's gonna react on the negative side, on a positive side. So far, we've been seeing a slowly trend of stocks dipping a little bit, even though it's still in the 32,000s range. An increase from 29,000, it went all the way to 32,000 with the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq, with the help of boost of that. So the past 2 days, it has been a slip in the markets. We'll see if this trend continues, and I believe they waiting on a Federal Reserve decision. Is they going to continue to heighten the interest rates, the federal tax hike, to ease that hyperinflation once again? See if that happens. So with that, we'll see this cycle continues to see if the stocks will dip again with the continued worries with the inflation, consumer spending, and gas prices increasingly as well too. So we'll see this trend continues within the whole month of November. As we enter in a new month of November, we'll see how the stocks and bonds, see how it reacts. So with that, I hope this lesson was edifying of the news article that I brought out in regards to the stock market crash once again for the second time of this week. And so with that, Shabbat Shalom. And I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai, Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone, preaching His word truthfully and sincerely. Shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, that be like unto the speckled bird, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say Shabbat Shalom and Abba Babal.